guys, welcome back on the video. Today we're checking out a brand new pair of wireless earbuds from Vankyo. I'm not sure if this is how we say it or not, but this is how we write the name. And this model right here, this version is called the Vankyo x200 True Wireless Earbuds. Drop a link down in the description where you guys can purchase these. These earbuds right here are from Amazon. Now, first of all, the product will cost $39.98, which I think it is an extremely good deal. Now for $39.98, you're getting Bluetooth 5.0, touch controls, pause, play, volume adjustments from the earbuds. You're gonna get interchangeable ear tips, small, medium, large. One of the most important thing about this product is the battery. For each charge with the case, you're gonna get about 7-8 hours, which is a lot more than the AirPods Pros. Now with the case, you're gonna get a total of 120 hours of listening time. Now this is insane. The size of the battery of the case will be 3500 mAh just for the case. One of the features about this product, which is amazing, is not just the touch controls and also volume adjustment from the earbud. You'll be able to visualize the battery percentage for the left and the right earbuds, but also on percentage of the case. As you can see right here, it is 100% of the case. So let's check these out. So far, the box is really good. We do have the earbuds on the front. We do have the name, the brand. The design of the box is really good. It's well sealed in a plastic. The packaging is really good. We do have a sticker on the right side of the box that says the name of the product, True Wireless Earbuds. Kind of cut it off right here because it's too long. But right here it says new, which is a new product from Amazon. And here it says made in China. Other than that, we do have some logos right here on the right side of the box. On the bottom of the box, we will have some information, ease of use, clean and stable, enjoy yourself, things like this. So let's unbox the product and see how good they are. The plastic was really simple to remove. What we're gonna do right now is simply slide the box out. Then you're gonna see smart headset, nothing around the box. On the bottom, you're gonna have a few more logos. Let's check these out. Let's unbox them. Really easy to remove. The Vankyo product, the earbuds. It is really heavy, wrapped in a plastic. Stick these out. So my first impression on this product is really good. The build quality is extremely high quality. It is made of metal. It is not plastic compared to AirPods Pros or AirPods 2s. These are made of plastic. Now compared to the Vankyo x200s, these are made of probably aluminum or something like this. Now the weight of the product is quite heavy because obviously the battery is going to be really large, 3500 mAh, 120 hours of listening time. And then in the bottom right here, we do have a user manual. Here is the user manual of the Vankyo Vankyo x200. It is quite long, I would say, very long. And then in this box right here, in this little cardboard black box, we're gonna have the charging cable. It is a micro USB to USB-A. One of the other features I like about this product that amazed me a lot is that you can use it as a power bank to charge your phone, your iPad, your tablet. So I got right here a micro USB to USB-A that comes included in the package, in the product, in the box. All you have to do is plug it into the charging port. So you're gonna plug in the micro USB into charging port, and then what you're gonna do is plug in your phone charger. For me, it's an iPhone. Plug it right there, and then I'm going to plug it to my phone. And as you can see, it is charging. Here is the product itself. We do have the brand on the top of the lid that said Vankyo. And then on the bottom right here, on the side, we do have the LED display, which will display the battery of the case, but also the earbuds. On the right side of the product, you're going to have the micro USB port. This is where you're going to plug in your cable to charge the case. And then at the bottom of the case, you're going to have the information of the product, the model of the earbuds, and also you're going to have the capacity of the battery of the case itself. Let's open up the lid, and the first thing you'll see is the display. As you can tell, The right side and the left side is completely charged, and the case itself is currently at 66% charge, which means that you get about 60 hours or so of listening time, which is a lot. So basically, if you listen to music Monday to Friday, 4 hours a day, 5 days a week, you're gonna charge it maybe once a month or twice a month. On the case, you will have some pin connectors. This is where you're gonna charge the earbuds. And here are the earbuds. They're really great design. On the right side of the earbuds, as you can see, we do have red and blue indicator light that tells you that they're ready to be connected. In the interior of the earbuds, as you can see, we do have the connector pins. This is where you're gonna connect to the case. And also you're gonna have the left and right indicator. This is the left side. We'll also have the air tips, which you can remove. So right now I'm going to connect these earbuds to my phone. All you have to do is simply lift up the lid and then scroll down to Bluetooth settings until you see the product itself. You're going to click on here and then it's going to connect. And as you can see, it is connected, the Alpha X200. I'm going to take these out and test out the sound quality of the earbuds. So they're right now in my ears and the fit is really good. I'm shaking my head and they're not falling off from my ears. So right now let's test out the sound quality. I'm gonna listen to Bad Guy by Billie Eilish.
You know what the most frightening thing in the world is? It's fear.
So the sound quality of the Vankyo X200s is really good. There's a lot of bass, there's a lot of clearness, and they're quite loud. Now right now I'm going to show you guys the touch controls. If you do one tap right here on the circle, it's going to play the music. One tap once again, and it's going to pause the music. If you guys want to switch to the next song, all you have to do is double tap, 1, 2, and then as you can see, it goes to the next song, still once again, and it goes to the next song. If you guys want to go back to the previous song, all you have to do is to use the other side of the earbuds and then double tap on it. And then it goes back to the previous song. Let's do it again. And I should go back to Bad Guys. And then as you can see, it does work. So you one tap to play or pause, double tap to go to the next or previous song. So if you like to adjust the volume, all you have to do is touch the circle and then hold your finger over there. And we'll play the music and then hold here. As you can see, the volume is increasing. If I do it on the left side, this should decrease the volume. As you can see, I'm holding it, stop holding it, it stops. So once again, I'll drop a link down below in the description for these Vankyo X200 TWS earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds. For $40, I think they're really a good deal. I definitely recommend them especially for the price, the battery, the comfort, the fit, and especially for the touch controls. One tap to play, double tap to change songs. Build quality of the case is really good. The battery is really amazing, especially you'll be able to visualize the exact battery of the case, but also of the earbuds. Make sure to give a big thumbs up to this video if you did enjoy. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I got other videos coming soon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Let it go.